Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and I'm so glad to see you once again in today's new video. So in today's video I'll be trading with Alligator indicator. I know I've already shown you situations while I'm trading with this indicator, but I think that I want to show you once again how to trade with this indicator because it's quite easy and it's quite simple and it's quite good to use this indicator. So I'm inviting you to my private chat in Telegram channel. I left a link down below. The link is a link to my personal chat. Run with the code word money team and then I'll add you to this private chat. In this private chat I already share trading signals. I also share my trading chats. I also discuss anything concerning crypto trading. So please join this Telegram channel. So let's start trading. So hello friends, so today I'll be trading with the Alligator indicator. So this indicator is an auxiliary tool for technical analysis. It helps to determine the trend reversal. It also helps to suggest the further movement of the price and also helps to show you the strength of the upcoming movement. So I'd like to show you how to place indicator and how to determine when to enter the market and how to use this indicator. To activate this indicator, you have to click this button in the lower left corner and select it from the list. Leave all the settings by default and just change the thickness of the moving averages and their colors. I'll make them a little thicker so you can see them better. So you can see them on the indicator on the chart. Well, the signal to open the trade to enter the market is the moment when the green moving average is crossing over the second moving average from top to bottom. And at this point you can enter the market. It also indicates downward movement in the near future. So the opposite is also true when, for example, when the green moving average is crossing over the second moving average from the bottom up. It suggests that there will be upward movement in the near future, and the indicator also suggests upcoming price movement in the upward direction. Also, this indicator can suggest upcoming price movement when the moving averages are moving further from each other, like in this case. There will be the downward movement in the near future, and the further the moving averages move, the more steady price movement will. So let's start and I show you the very first situation using this indicator. Well, this is the level of the resistance, and from this level there was the pullback down. Price is again trending up and hitting the internal level, and the indicator tells us that there will be the movement upwards because of the crossing of the moving averages. Well, I'll enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes because I think that price will trend up, then break the internal level and continue moving upwards. So let me wait for the results of this trade. Well, analyzing the situation, this is a flat situation and the level hasn't been broken yet, but the price trended up and it has broke me my profit, so I'm ready to continue trading. So this is the level of resistance, and after the uptrend, the price hit this level and then bounced down. And from this point, there was a reversal, and now the price is again trending towards the resistance level. And I think that very soon the price will trend up. And also looking at the indicator, it shows crossing of the moving averages, and it also tells us that there will be movement up. So I'll enter the market with an up trade for 3 minutes, and I've chosen this time with a margin in case there will be a small flat or a slight rollback down, since the price has a strength to go up. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing the situation, the price trended up and I've got the profits. The indicator really showed a good entry point. Movement up resumed to the resistance level, and it's also possible that this level will be broken through in the near future. But let me continue to another situation. Well, this is the level of support and there has been steady downtrend. The price hit this level and then rolled back up, and after the flat, the trend downwards continued and the price is hitting this level. And looking at the display of the indicator, it shows the crossing of moving averages. It also tells me that there will be movement down. So in this case, I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes because I think the price is likely to trend down and then break through this level. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this trade, the price trended down and broke through this level, and this trade was profitable, and the indicator also showed a very good entry point. So let me go on. So this is a level of support, and the price is hitting this level, and the price maximum is getting lower. So moving averages are moving further from each other. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes because the price is already starting to break through the support level, as you see, and it will continue moving down hopefully. So let's wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this trade, the price resumed downtrend and I've got the profit from this transaction. And thanks to the indicator, I chose a very good entry point. So this level was broken through and the price is trending steadily down. So let me continue trading. Well, this is a level of support and the price hit this level and then there was a rollback up. And right now it is starting to break through this level. So let me enter the market for 2 minutes with a down trade because the indicator signals movement down, because you can see moving averages are moving further from each other, and it tells us that there will be movement down soon. And also I chose this time with a margin. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, the price trended down and I've got my profit from this transaction. The indicator once again was useful and helped me determine further price movement. So let me find another situation to trade on. So here there has been a reversal and the price has been steadily moving down. Also there is the internal support level here, and looking at the indicator, it shows that there will be downward movement in the near future. And I think that the level is likely to be broken very soon. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 3 minutes with a margin. And this time will be enough because there may be a small flat or rollback upwards and then movement down will resume. So let's wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this, the flat took some time, but movement down resumed and it has broke me my profit. So 3 minutes were enough here and the indicator really showed further movement of the price. And I think that this level will be broken in the near future, but I would like to find another situation. So this is another situation and there has been a very steady down trade here at the bottom. This is the level of support and price rolled back from it and is trending up very steadily, and now price is hitting the internal level. So I'll enter the market with an up trade for 3 minutes with a margin because price is likely to trend to the next level, and this is also confirmed by the indicator. As you can see, the rollback up from the support level is quite strong. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, the price trended up and I've got the profit from this transaction, and the time was chosen correctly and the indicator showed me a good entry point. So let me continue trading. So this is the same currency pair after some time, and you can see that there has been the reversal and the price is now trending to the support level, and the indicator tells us that there will be a downward movement here. So I will enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes because price is likely to keep trending to the support level, and maybe there will be a breakout of the level, or maybe it will not be, but at least price will continue trending down. So let me wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, the price trended down and I've got the profit from the transaction. This indicator helped me again, so let me continue trading. So this is the internal level of support, and right now the price is trending steadily to the level, and you can see that there is a distance to the support level. And looking at the indicator, I can see that indicates that downward movement will be expected soon. So here I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes because the price is likely to trend down and maybe break through the level, because the price has the strength to go down. And I've chosen this time with a margin, of course, because there can be a small rollback up or a flat, so and downward movement will continue. So let's wait and see the results of the trade. Analyzing this trade, price trended down and has been the breakout of the level. I've got my profit from this trade, so let me continue trading. So this is another situation. This is the main support level, and a little higher is the inner one, and the price is now breaking through it. And I think that downward trend will continue for some time. So looking at the indicator, the movement is expected. So I'm going to enter a trade for 2 minutes because price is likely to move to the support level. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing the situation, the price trended down and the support level was broken. I've got my profit, and this was a very good trade. So let me go on with another situation. Oh, this is a level of support and there has been movement down. Price hit this level and then rolled back up, and after some time, price is again trending down. So looking at the indicator hints, the moving averages are moving further from each other, and it tells me that downward movement is expected soon. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 3 minutes with a margin in case of a flat or a back upwards, and after that downward movement will continue. And I think soon that price will trend to the support level because price maximum is getting lower here. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well, analyzing this trade, price trended down and it has brought me my profit from this trade. The time was chosen correctly and the indicator showed a very good entry point. So everything is going great. So let me continue. So this is a level of resistance, and from this level there has been a rollback, and now price is again trending to this level. And analyzing the indicator, the moving averages are moving further from each other. So I'll enter with an up trade for 2 minutes because I think this level will be broken through. So let me wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, this is the flat here and this level is not broken through, but I've got my profit anyway. So let me continue trading. Well, this is the movement down. It is very steady. There is still a distance to the support level, and the indicator shows the crossing of the moving averages, and it also tells me that there will be movement down. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes because price has strength to go down despite an expected flat or rollback upwards. But let me wait and see the results of this trade. So looking at this situation, price trended down and this level was broken through. I've got very good profit from this trade. So the indicator was again very useful. So let me go on with my trades. Well, here there has been a very steady uptrend, and the price reversal from the level of resistance and it's now trending down, and I think that there is likely to be a trend to the internal support level at least. And looking at the indicator, there is a crossing of moving averages, so I'm thinking I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes with a margin, expecting a small flat or roll back upwards, and then downward movement will continue. So let me wait for the results of the trade. Well, analyzing the situation, the price really trended down to the level of support, and I've got the profit from this transaction. And the indicator again helped me to determine the price movement. My balance is now $2,500. So I would like to find my last transaction. I would like to find something interesting. Well, here this was the steady downtrend, and price reversed from the support level. The price is steadily trending up and breaking the inner resistance level. The indicator signals upward movement. So I will I'm thinking of entering the market with an up trade for 2 minutes, because I think that price is likely to trend to the resistance level located higher, and the chosen time will be enough, even despite a small flat. So let me wait for the results of this trade. So analyzing this situation, price trended up and I've got the profit from this trade. There was a small flat, but upward movement resumed, and the indicator was very useful to me to determine further price movement. Now my balance is $4,200, and I'll stop here for today. So guys, trading with the alligator indicator is quite helpful and quite useful. So you can be able to use it as well, but you need to know the basis, and the basis of any trade is technical analysis. So as you saw me, I was looking at the technical analysis first. I was looking at the resistance level, the support level, the internal levels. I was also looking at how the price is going up and how the price is going down before I was able to use the indicator to be able to find an entry point into the market. So these indicators are just auxiliary tools. You need to learn technical analysis first, and you can be able to practice with all these charts. I always post all my charts and I always answer all my questions in my private chat. So I have a private chat in Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined yet, I'm inviting you to join. I left a link down below. This link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this team so that you can be able to discuss anything amongst yourselves, be able to ask me questions. I always receive so many questions, and I'm always glad to receive them and answer them. I always read everyone's questions. I always find time to answer everything. I also like your suggestions for new ideas for videos, and I really appreciate them. So please continue doing so, and please join this Telegram channel. I'm always glad to hear from you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to comment down below, and also hit the notification button down below so that you can be notified when there's a new video up. So thank you very much. Until next time.